This is by far one of the nastiest details I have ever done. This is a repo car, and somebody actually drove around in a car like this. Comment down below if you would drive a car this nasty. Would you do it for 500 bucks? I don't know. I mean, this is disgusting. But let's go ahead and tear this thing apart and get started on cleaning it up.
Ha! That's a joke.
It's really hard for me to believe that this car has ever been cleaned once. Like, for this stuff to collect back here, it's mind-boggling. I mean, this by far is starting to take the cake as the worst one I've ever done. Now, I'm not sure what Dodge was thinking when they built this car and thinking that putting little cubbies on the floors was a good idea. But the other problem that I have is how do you get so much fluid in here and so much crap that you get mold to build up and collect like a thin layer across the surface? Because, I mean, this stuff smells. Like, it truly smelled disgusting, and it's hard to believe that nobody noticed. But I guess if your car looked like this, maybe it just was an afterthought.
Sing for me sweet lullabies. Bright nights, everlasting darksome days.
If you are wondering what I use to detail these cars in my videos, I have it all linked in the description box below. And definitely go to foxclean.com after this video, which is my own line of detailing products. All the sprays and everything I use are super powerful, awesome stuff, and it's everything that I've used to clean this specific car. And if it's good enough for a car like this, it'll definitely transform your own vehicle. So head over there after the video, and at the banner there's a 25% off coupon that you can use. The code is also linked in the description box below. Now this vehicle would not have been able to be cleaned if it wasn't for the steam cleaner. The steam cleaner helps with melting that candy that's attached to the fibers of the carpet, and then I'm using a pick tool to kind of pry them up as I go. If I did not have my steam cleaner, there would be no possible way that I would have been able to get it this clean.
Always tell you what to do. Can't keep up with all the bullshit they're throwing your way. Always looking for the easy way. Now they're walking over you. Yeah. Never felt so damn frustrated. You're just wasting my time. All the feelings that I dread. Can't believe the words you said. Somebody save me. Now we're hanging by a thread and it's ringing.
Now because I do all these details for free, I need your help. Go ahead and click that thumbs up button down below if you're enjoying the video so far.
All the feelings that I dread. Can't believe the words you said. Somebody save me. Now we're hanging by a thread. It keeps on ringing in my head.
Now for all the fabric inside the vehicle, including the seats and the carpet, in my sprayer I have a product called a BioBreak. It's a really good carpet cleaning solution, and then I'm using my drill brush to agitate the surface to loosen up any of that dirt before I use my extractor to suck up and remove any of that dirt from the fabric.
Always a step behind. Just like I'm going blind. Ever out on the loose, I will never get to choose. I'm a slave to every vice, taking all the bad advice. Dirt sticking all over my shoes. I need to get on the blues. Always a step behind, just like I'm going blind. Ever out on the loose, I will never get to choose. Nowhere else to go, nothing more to show. I never thought it'd come to this.
Now underneath this rear seat was the treasure trove of goodies. There's French fries, Starburst, Skittles, Goldfish. I mean, just tons of delicious treats that I probably could have served on Halloween. No, I'm just kidding. This is bad. This is where most of the stuff fell through, which makes me realize that they had children that were probably riding inside this vehicle in the condition that is in, which is just not recommended, I'll say.
Stand the heat, soaking underneath the sheets, burning like a flame within, blisters all over my skin. Always a step behind, just like I'm going blind. Ever out on the loose, I will never get to choose. Come on.
Now if you think you enjoyed this video, definitely click the one on screen and go check that one out.